How's the food, Ma?
It's vegan. It's very nice. It's healthy also, so I'm really enjoying the vegan food. Hi guys, good day. Welcome to Sunflower SA. I'm now going towards Pretoria. We are in Pretoria. You can see the traffic is a little bit hectic, but it's fine. Guys, as you watch the visuals of the metropolitan city, you please subscribe and continue watching. And I hope you guys all are fine in good health with God's grace. Please continue watching and don't forget to subscribe. This is what the gas one, eh? Yeah. Oh, this is the city. We are in the metropolitan city. Hello. See both the sides, buildings. It's clean, eh? Clean city. These are the apartments. It is the Mall of Africa, the biggest mall. One among the biggest mall, alle? South Sea. South Mall building. Hectic in both the sides, eh? Office hours ആണ് അത് കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ? This is the city life. Hectic. It's beautiful houses. This is the hospital, ne? But I'm not going to the next, this hospital, the next door.
Oh, it should be soft.
How's the food, Ma?
It's vegan. It's very nice. It's healthy also, so I'm really enjoying the vegan food. With rye bread, mushroom, and then sausage of vegetarian, and cherry tomato. That's it. I'm really enjoying vegan. Baby spinach. malls, what I've shown in the metropolitan city, and the food we had just now. So we are navigating to home. Please do subscribe, don't forget for that. We'll meet yet another vlog. Until then, it's bye from Sunflower SA. Bye bye.